I'm just curious about what consumers are up to.
Well, a couple of things. So number one, I think the consumers are being selective. When they see innovation or values, even they are buying ahead of the holidays. Q2 is going to be, well, our Q2, Q4 for the calendar year.
So they're placing orders, you mean on the platform, but don't deliver to, or what?
Yes, we're already selling products baskets ahead. I mean, the best sellers are already selling, and at some point they are going to sold out. So we're seeing some good initial demand. Now, remember, these are higher end products, so we're somewhat protected from inflation in that way. But we're already selling products at this point. We haven't delivered them, but we're already taking orders for the holidays.
But have your costs gone up?
Well,
I mean, I'm thinking about flowers, chocolates, like where they're coming from.
Flowers come from the U.S. We know that.
Correct. So there are some imports, and some of the cost has gone up. Now, we also have a lot of products that are grown in the United States, our pears, peaches. So it's a combination of factors. I think the merchandising organization is doing a great job managing the inputs. You increase prices where you can. You go after units where you can. What the team is working on is how do you grow gross margin dollars. So you play with the assortment structure and try to do the best you can with the consumer.
How economically sensitive is your business? I mean, I imagine if people are feeling good, they're going to buy from you. But if they're feeling a little iffy, they're not going to. You must see that in real time.
We see that in real time. And remember, we have very different business. So I'm going to go to the two extremes. On one side, you have Harry and David, famous for our baskets on the holidays.
Yeah, we'll talk about the pears at some point. But
I mean, I need to bring
everybody
you
knows
next
about
time.
the pears.
They are delicious.
Everybody's gotten a box of them, right?
I mean,
So
they are
good.
delicious.
Yeah.
We all love them. So those are selling, and I think our most loyal customers, the ones that buy every year, we are already seeing the orders. So that is actually going well. Then you go into the other segment or another one of our businesses, personalization mall, which is lower price points, things that are personalized, like thinking of you, your name. There, the customer is a little bit more picky, and the market is a little bit more competitive. So that's where you're seeing the impact of inflation. Our units decline, but as I said, the merchandising organization is trying to balance that. So it all depends on really the need of the product and what is driving the consumer.
So I want to ask you, because I was thinking about your business, and we are Bloomberg, we have a lot of data. Your stock is down about 41% year to date. Nearly 75% of the float is short. So the street's pretty negative on the outlook. You don't have a lot of Wall Street coverage. It's a very small market cap company. Recent earnings showed a fourth quarter adjusted loss of 69 cents a share. Street was expecting about a loss of about half that. When you look at year over year comparisons, net revenues down nearly 7% from the year before. I don't have to tell you. You know the metrics. You were brought in May, so you are working on setting this company for the future. You come from Home Depot. How do you grow the business beyond e-commerce?
So,
Which is, I know, an initiative, a major initiative.
I'm happy you ask. It's a multi-year transformation. Initially, it's about stabilizing the EBITDA of the business. My focus is on cash and EBITDA. And I think we're starting to turn the corner. I'm very optimistic about the business. As we do that, you are planting seeds to grow into other channels. We have great products. We want to show these products to the customer wherever they buy. So now we have our assortment in Amazon, Walmart. We are testing physical stores. We are going on Uber Eats, the delivery service providers. We're trying to expand our channels. That is going really well. I'm very optimistic.
Which one's going really well? Really, really well, among those that you just laid out?
I mean, all numbers are actually good because they went from zero to something.
Nothing, right.
So, but it's actually starting to grow. I mean, we have 100,000 SKUs. Actually, the highest challenge is to choose where you start.
Very briefly before you go, is there interest from private equity right now? Market cap of around $300 million seems to be like it could be a target.
I talk to investors all the time. There is interest on investing in the company, and they are paying a lot of attention about how the transformation is going.
Like
so
private equity investors are interested? Like
private equity, hedge fund, anybody with money that is looking
like taking it private?
I haven't engaged in those discussions.
Okay.
This is right now investment.
But Adolfo, would it have been easier to do the turnaround if you were a private entity?
I don't think so. I think I have all the support of the board and the chairman, and things are going well. So I don't think so.